All right, let's do number 4, because then otherwise that'll be the only one I haven't done. Okay, so this is the type 1 problem. I call it the type 1 problem. Let's see. What force in what direction? Okay, so this is the kind where you can figure out the acceleration first. So 2 calculations. First one is find the acceleration. A is v squared over r. So that's 2.3 squared over 0.57. So 2.3 squared divided by 0.57. That is 9.28. Roughly, it's 9.2807 or something like that. I'll just use all the unrounded value, right? So notice that that's less than 9.81, so we're going to need just a little bit of force up at the top, right? Okay, are we ready for this? Okay, so what force in what direction does it exert at the top? First, we have to figure out the weight, the force of gravity. So 1.5 times 9.81, 14.715. All right, so at the top, we've got some unknown force, right, minus the force of gravity. Gravity's always down, right? Equals, what's our weight? Our mass, sorry, 1.50. And then this acceleration is going to be down because we're at the top, and when we're at the top, we're accelerating toward the center, so we're accelerating down 9.2807, et cetera, right? Okay, so let's solve for the force here. I'm going to go 1.5 times the opposite of that 9.28 number. I'm going to add the 14.7. And I get that the force is equal to, and it's a positive number, 0.7939. So 0.794 newtons, and it has to be up. Right? Because it's positive, it's up. Of course, we knew it was up because the acceleration is not big enough to keep the water in the cup and keep the string taut, right? Okay, it has to be bigger than 9.81 for that to happen, right? Okay, so at the bottom, force minus 14.715. The only difference really is that the acceleration will be positive. So 1.5 times positive 9.2807. Right? Because at the top you're accelerating down, at the bottom you're accelerating up. Remember that the acceleration is always toward the center. Okay, so 1.5 times that number plus the 14.715 number, I get 28.636. Newtons, right? Because it's positive, it's up. Yeah. Don't forget to label it up. It's so sad if you don't label it up.